Having eufy cams for home security is a good thing, but you can actually increase the security level by adding some eufy permanent outdoor lights to your system. My eufy outdoor lights are usually set to colour changing or a nice ambient glow in the garden and patio. However, you can also set up the eufy lights to flash red if your eufy cams detect a person, or in this case, Noel the Chihuahua. You could also go a stage further and have the alarm sound trigger on your eufy cams. Suddenly being lit up by flashing lights to the sound of a shrill alarm should be enough to scare anyone off who shouldn't be there. The lights I use in my garden are the eufy E22 outdoor permanent lights at the top of the garden and also the eufy E10 string lights above my patio. Here's how to set up the camera to trigger the warning lights. So we go into the eufy Life app, which is for the smart lights, and on there it will display the connected lights. We go to the Lumino link option at the bottom. Now you can set up any routine, so one camera spots somebody and you might have the lights come on so they can see where they're going, or you might want to warn these people off. So in there you can see Guardian light at the bottom. Now Guardian light will flash the eufy lights red if motion is detected. So the first thing we need to do is to give the interaction a name, so we'll call it trespass alarm. The device we want to trigger the lights is the shed cam, which in this case is a 4G LTE. We want the devices to flash being the outdoor lights, so the string lights and the permanent outdoor lights, they're the ones I want to flash. We can see there it says lighting mode is alarm, so that's flashing red. The brightness will up that to 100%. We then select the dates we want this to happen, so I want this to be on all the time, so every day. And then the times 10 PM to 8 AM is fine, and the light duration flashing will be 1 minute. Once set up correctly, the lights will flash and the alarm will sound if the eufy cams detect movement. You can of course specify human movement only, which allows Fido to go out and do his business in relative peace. So hopefully you found that useful. It's a good feature to have, so it will add that next level of security to your property. Any questions, please let me know in the comments and I'll do my best to answer, and thanks for watching.